Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I made this really simple fold-out desk. It looks good and it's easy to build. As usual, I started out using SketchUp just to make sure I got all my dimensions correct. It's super easy to use and I would highly recommend it. This is basically what it looks like. It's really compact and folds out to give you tons of working space, and just makes working from home that much easier. So to start using MDF or Superwood, I basically just made a box. Yep, just a box. Wood screws and some wood glue. This is the one part you just really need to be careful. Mark a center point because ultimately you want your two pieces to line up, and then create a diagonal to your liking. Just make sure everything lines up. For the backboard, I decided to use a French cleat. This just makes hanging it up that much easier, and I plan to mount the desk myself to the wall. Again, just using some wood screws and some wood glue, I managed to make a pretty solid backboard. Just a light sanding, make sure everything's nice and smooth, just really make sure that the finished product comes out that much better. For the hinges, I of course wanted these to be flush so that when the desk was folded closed, everything was neat and tidy. I just used a Dremel attachment to cut out these grooves. And then ultimately fitted everything together to make sure it worked before painting. Then came time to hang it up, and this is really where the French cleat came to play. Made it really super easy to get onto the wall. Basically, I painted the folding desk with the top half the same color as the wall in this bedroom. This is our guest room and basically my office by day, and it gives me loads of space to do my work, and folds away beautifully when guests come around. I really hope you liked this video. Please remember to subscribe. More videos coming.